Guys, I'm Jeviso. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to print array element in a reversed order. So when you say a reversed order example, let me give you an example. Here, suppose we have elements like 10, 20, 13, 14, and 50, right? Then, once I will print them in a reverse order, we get just like 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10, right? To mean we count from right to left instead of count from left to right, right? So let us develop C++ program to print array elements in a reverse order. So as you see, this is the structure of C++ program. And now we need to make initialization of an array. Let us int a as array name and with 5 elements, which are this we already written 10, 20, 13, 14, and 15. Then here semicolon, and then we need to write a statement says that the array element before reverse array, or just yes array here like this, and now create for loop that used to display those elements. For int I, which is equal to 0, as an index starts from 0, then I must be less than or equal to 4, and then I increment from 0 to 4, and then display our array elements. We use a sort statement. Here we write an array name, which is a, and here indices, which is I. You can just here put here space like this one, and then semicolon here, right? Then after this, we need also to display our array element in reversed order. We need to copy this statement, this line, and then you can just paste it here and create another loop here for display our array in a reversed order. Let us use for int I also start here must start from 4, and here our I must be greater or equal to 0, and then our I must be decrement from 4 to 0, right? Then open our loop and see out or print out our array elements in reversed order. Our array name is A and our indices is I. Here also need to put here space and then print semicolon here. So this is a simple way of how you can develop a C++ program to print array element in a reverse order. Yeah, we need to create here end line statement so that this number before a reverse should be separated from this second statement, right? That's why we need to put here a new line or end line like this. Come and click here on compare, and then click here also to run our program, right? As you see, this is our output, our desired output. Array elements before reverse are 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And then array elements after reverse are 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10, right? So as you see, is simple and is not complicated. You can do it. So thank you for watching this video. This is the end of today's lesson. Let us meet in next one.